Hello guys, I'm super excited because I've just not long landed in a new location. So I'm in Aqaba, which is in Jordan, the south of Jordan. And this is, well, a few hours in. I'm staying at a hotel in Aruch, which you'll see in one of my videos. So I'm just looking around now just to see if we can exchange some money, and then we're gonna go somewhere to eat. So yeah, let's go explore. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Let's go.
Okay, just got some money exchanged. The exchange rate here was 0.94 Jordanian dinar for the pound. So yeah, the dinar is actually stronger than the pound. One of the bad things is it gets dark like really early, just like the UK. I think the times are pretty much the same, although we're 2 hours ahead over here. It is fairly warm, it's not cold, and bear in mind we're at the end of December. So yeah, so far I'm liking the weather. It's a gentle breeze. We are close to the sea, although we ain't going to be going down to the beach in the night. So yeah, just going to carry on looking for some food, and I'll show you what's on the menu. It seems like there's so many of these nut stores, mixed nuts and stuff like that, all around. Just finished eating. Went to a restaurant called Madam Al Quds, which means the restaurant of Al Quds. It's on the same road as the hotel that we're staying at, and that is basically opposite the seafront, where all the beaches are. Yeah, so what I'd suggest, I recommend, is be careful with portion sizes. It seemed like one of them places where a lot of local people go, so the portion sizes were a lot bigger. We ordered a whole chicken. We thought it was going to be just a whole chicken meal. Would be just a whole chicken and a few fries and a drink to share. And basically we got a massive platter, and it was really hard to finish. And that all come to under 6 Jordanian dinar. So very good value for money. We couldn't even finish the food. And I think that was the case with a lot of people there. Yeah, it's very good though. Rotisserie chicken, grilled with some fries. Let's just go for a walk.
بكم قلت لي العلبة؟
75 قرش وبس قطر دينار، يعني كلها دينار 5.
Right, that's end of the night. Grabbed a quick ice cream, which was extremely cheap. It was just 1 Jordanian dinar for 2 flavors, which, you know, it's gonna go down nicely at the end of the night. And basically got a long day ahead tomorrow. The plan is to go to Wadi Rum and stay in one of those tents, which I'm really looking forward to. So it's probably going to be an early start, but for now, goodbye and peace. How far is the camp?
How far?
Yeah, how?
It's near.
It's near. Okay.